Welcome back. We'll be talking about cloud ceilings, what visibility means to aviation, particularly for the SUAS exam, lightning, and what lightning does to radio frequency communication. The definition of ceiling is the lowest layer of clouds reported as either broken or overcast, or the vertical visibility into an obscuration, like fog or haze. In the definition, the term broken and overcast was mentioned. So let's take a look at what that really means. Broken is 5/8 to 7/8 of the sky is covered with clouds, and overcast, the entire sky is covered with clouds. Visibility is the horizontal distance at which prominent objects can be viewed with the naked eye. Next up, lightning. Every thunderstorm, as we mentioned before, produces lightning and thunder. This is a visible electric discharge that can blind a pilot, rendering the pilot momentarily unable to navigate either by instrument or by visual reference. Additionally, lightning can induce permanent errors in a magnetic compass. It can disrupt radio communications.